Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree Glam storage organizer DIY that you don't want to miss. It's super cute and affordable, so don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other videos, and let's get started. So for this first DIY, we're going to need these stackable organizing drawers, and I'll be using 7 of these drawers. Also these square mirrors that you can find in the candle section of Dollar Tree. And for these projects I'll be using my glue gun, but you can also use the super glue that you can find at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to start by stacking all the drawers. And these drawers are really nice. They are very smooth. They're not hard to open at all. So here I'm just going to start gluing them so that they don't move out of place when we open the drawers. So at the bottom of the drawers you'll see these 2 lines, so just make sure you put the glue on there so that it's not visible. So just make sure that when you're gluing them they are straight, because you only have a few seconds to make sure that they're not crooked. And I'll be using 3 drawers for this first tier. And for the mirrors, we're going to go ahead and remove these, I guess they're like little stoppers that they have so that they don't scratch the surface. But since we're going to be gluing them, I'm going to remove that and the sticker. But for this one, I decided not to remove it since it's not visible because they're very hard to remove. So now I'm just going to add some glue and I'll be placing it on top of the 3 drawers. So for the second tier, I'm just gonna add these 2 drawers on the side. You can glue them so that they don't move out of place, but I decided not to, so that in case they don't fit in the section I'll be using them, I can just move them around. So I'm gonna do the same thing, just glue the bottom so that it won't move out of place. And I will repeat the same steps for the other side. So again, I'll just add some glue to the back of the mirrors and put them on the top of the drawers. And here is the finished product. I think it turned out so nice and it looks very expensive. I decided to add some perfumes on the top that I'll be displaying. I'll be probably using this to store some of my jewelry, and I think it turned out great for just $10. It is just amazing, the things you can find at the Dollar Tree. Oh, and also you can follow me on Instagram. This is my handle here, so that you can also see everything I find at the Dollar Tree. I post some pictures there. And now for the second DIY, it's also super easy. It's basically the same concept. We're just gonna, instead of adding more drawers to the side, we're just gonna add the mirrors to the side and give it more of a glam look. So here I'll just turn these 3 drawers and add some glue to the mirrors and glue them to each side. So here's the finished look. I think it is so adorable and super easy to make. It gives it such an easy touch of glam for just a few dollars. So this was just $6 to make. I think it would look super cute in a bathroom. You can also add all your hair accessories, some hair ties that would be perfect for storage. So let me know which one of these DIYs was your favorite. I personally like the first one better. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other videos that I'll be uploading. I'll be sure to share a list of DIYs that I've made in the past. They are really cute and so affordable. You don't want to miss any of them. So please check the description box down below. And I'll be catching you guys in the next video. Bye!